I just recently purchased this book, Billy Martin, Claves of African Origin, Riddim, Claves of African Origin. This is a cool book recommended to me by my cousin Chris Spaniolo. And I mean, everything you wanted to know about Afro-Cuban is here. It's a very in-depth book. It's kind of a different way of notating. I've only learned 3 so far. Tons and tons and tons of patterns here. Comes with a CD. Okay, and I'm just going to demonstrate the 3 beats that I've so far been able to accomplish. Okay, here we go. So the first one. All right. Okay. This is kind of cool because if you don't play the bell, you just play on the ride and play the left-hand pattern just on the snare, you can incorporate this into jazz. Let's check it out. So here's the second pattern that I learned so far. And here's the third pattern that I've learned so far. That's as far as I got. I just got this book like a week ago, so I'm planning on spending quite a bit of more time on this book. If this book sounds cool to you and you actually want a copy of it, just find the link somewhere in this post. It's an Amazon link. Click it, it'll take you right there. It'll be easy peasy to get. Boy, that's a tricky one because that left foot is playing on the ahs. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you next time when I'll be showing you some examples of some other classic book. Stay tuned for that.